Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the hardware and prerequisites so you don't chase a software issue. First, make sure the Bluetooth radio is physically enabled on your laptop or adapter. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Bluetooth so you have the interface ready. If the toggle or tools are missing, run sudo apt update and sudo apt install bluesbluemen to add Bluetooth support. This provides the service and GUI utility you'll use next. Now you enable and use the Bluetooth service to connect. Run sudo systemtool start Bluetooth and sudo systemtool enable Bluetooth so the daemon runs now and at boot. This powers the stack. Next, use settings right arrow Bluetooth or the Bluemen app to scan. Make your target device discoverable so Ubuntu can find it. When you see the device, choose pair, enter or confirm the PIN if requested, and wait for a successful paired/connected status before proceeding with profiles or audio routing. Finish by configuring how the device will be used and resolve common issues. For audio, open sound settings and choose the A2DP profile for best quality. For input devices, confirm functionality. If you prefer the terminal, use Bluetooth tool. Power on, agent on, scan on, pair, trust, then connect. If pairing fails, restart the Bluetooth service, unblock with rfkill, review dmesc for driver errors, and repair. This single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.